greet you all in the wonderful name of our Lord Jesus Christ. This is Evangelist Phakiso waga Khumalo in the revolutionary world Bangbiza Niahrot Money. You are watching a Spiritual Connection TV. It is becoming sad when you are a parent if you are to bury your child. It is expected in most cases that the child will be the one that will bury the parent, but in this case it is different.
The man allegedly shot his son at the Fred Norman Secondary School south of Johannesburg.
Yes, indeed, 16-year-old Rianda Temba Tabalala had been attending night classes when the incident occurred last night. His father had been waiting for him in his car but had dozed off. He was awoken by a knock on the window and allegedly fired a shot, mistaking his son for a robber.
And then he knocked on the window of the car, and then I thought I was being hijacked. Madubula. I killed my son. We had to drive to the nearest police station because he told me that I'm at the police station right now to hand myself over.